up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another channel with your girl, Miss Trina, Living Life Eats, and that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so today, guys, I am trying the Volcano chicken noodles for the first time. I don't know if y'all ever tried these. However, on the packet, don't these noodles look a little darker than what I have right here? So, I don't know. I follow the directions on the back of the pack. But it almost looks like my noodles is like light skin and these is kind of dark skin. But whatever. I'm going to go ahead and give these a try. They're supposed to be real good. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let me do a thumbnail. Oh, my thumbnails be the same, y'all. Okay. Let me go ahead and get started. They look a little dried out a little bit. I wish they was a little darker. And these are the fatter noodles. I don't like fat noodles, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what it tastes like. Okay. Happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday to everybody that's at work, because I'm at work right now. Trying to be at work. Okay. Okay, they are spicy. That they definitely got that kick. The volcano kick. They have it. I don't know if it's just, ooh, child, that's hot. Ooh, okay, it has an okay flavor. I think if I use the 2 times spicy, it'll taste better. Also, I don't like that the noodles gotta be so fat. You know what I'm saying? The noodles are too fat. These 2 pounders, they just have a little bit of salt, some pepper, and some tahini. Cucumbers are good. But the noodles, I don't know, y'all. Tell me what y'all think if y'all ever tried these. I just don't like the fatness of the noodles, and I like spice, but I like spice that has flavor. I don't like just hot with no flavor. I like spice that has flavor. Yeah. They definitely spicy. I give them that. But I don't care for the flavor. I don't. I feel like my noodles should have been darker. But they only give you They only give you like one packet. Look how dark these are. They don't look nothing like these. I didn't use a lot of water. I followed the directions very well. But they still light skin noodles. And they don't have a lot of flavor. They almost taste sweet. And anybody that know me, they don't get down with the sweet food. Kool-Aid I can do. Sweet food, candy or something. Oh my God. I really ain't got nothing to talk about this morning, y'all. I really ain't got nothing to talk about. It is Monday. We made it through the weekend. I had some drinks with my family yesterday, y'all. I started off having my Corona, like y'all know I like to have. I started off by having that. Then I made some, if y'all haven't checked that video out, definitely go check it out. I have fried some of those little ding wings, what do you call them, winglets, and made some hot wings. I had made barbecue wings, hot wings, and garlic parmesan wings on my video yesterday. Definitely go check that out. Also, I did wine time with my sister-in-law, Dr. Jefferson. If y'all have not checked that one out, definitely go check that one out too. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I forgot to say that in the beginning. Woo! These noodles are hot. They are hot. Would I eat them again? Probably not. I don't like these fat noodles. Maybe if they made the noodles a little skinnier, maybe they'll taste a little better. But it seemed like the fatter the noodles, the less it tastes like anything. No taste. All you taste is spice. All you taste is spice. Now, if y'all familiar with 2 times spicy, 2 times spicy is spicy, but it has like this flavor. It's so good. Two times spicy. It has the best spicy flavor. It's spicy and it has flavor. That's the type of spice I like. It don't just give me like too much heat. It don't taste like nothing. It don't taste like nothing. Maybe I should come up with my own flavor hot sauce. Because I know mine's to be flavorful. Because I'm putting everything in mine to make sure I got some good spice. What all do I have to do today? I don't even think I got much to do, y'all. I do know I should get my FOI card in the mail. It's been about 3 weeks. Has it been 3 weeks? I should get my FOI card in the mail so I can go ahead and purchase my first firearm. I'm so excited about that. Oh my God, I haven't had Kool-Aid in so long, y'all. And it's just bringing me back. It's bringing me back. I haven't had no good old Kool-Aid in a while. It's not bad. It's okay to have Kool-Aid every now and again. Every now and again. But yeah. Oh. Woo. Anybody get them W-2s back yet? I ain't get mine yet, y'all. I'm still waiting. And I ain't got nothing to do. I ain't behind in no bills. So I'm gonna just take my W-2 money and just put it in the bank. I'm probably gonna be a little vacation though. I've been wanting to go out of town for a while. I don't know where at yet. I do have a passport, so I can go wherever the hell I want. But a sister girl definitely need a vacation, like for real. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Get y'all out of Illinois. And I heard somebody, what's that yesterday? I had this guy comment on one of my YouTube shorts, y'all. If y'all watched it yesterday, I had put up, was that yesterday or day before? I believe it was day before when I had the Italian beef. I called it a cheesy beef because it was the nacho cheese. So this one guy comments and saying, excuse me, y'all. He was like, y'all out of towners call it cheesy beef or something. It's called it Italian beef. You out of towners love that Chicago food. And I'm reading his comments like, I'm from Chicago. What are you talking about? Just because I said cheesy beef, you can't say cheesy beef? People are stupid. And I don't mean like, oh, I was born in Elgin and I'm saying that, oh, it's Chicago. No, I was legit born in Chicago. People are so weird. People are so weird. I swear. You think people want to be from Chicago so bad? Hell. Chicago bad as hell. What I want to claim Chicago for if that's not where I'm from? That's stupid. Stupid. I'm finna finish these noodles, y'all. I'm not finna finish these noodles. So guys, I would definitely be doing more collabs soon with my family members. I got a lot scheduled for more collabs. Not just with my family. Not just with my family. I want to do collabs with anyone that's open to doing a collab. Hit me up. Hit me up. Let's collab. Especially our smaller channels. Our smaller channels need to stick together. Let's do some collabs, yeah. Let's do some collabs. Who would be interested in doing a collab? Let me know. I would love to do a collab with some of my YouTube fans. Just let me know. Oh, my brother on his way over here, y'all. My brother Munchie. Y'all gonna get to meet him. We definitely got to collab together. He got locks. I'm talking about his locks is so long. I can't wait for my locks to get that long. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with your girl on today. Make sure y'all definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so y'all can get all of my up-to-date videos. With that being said, I will catch y'all on the next video. Is that it? Is that all I want to say to y'all? Is that all I want to say to y'all? I think it is. Peace, y'all.